I've been with Calsonic for 7 years. I heard about Calsonic from a friend. He was working there, and he said, "Hey man, it's a good job and pays well, so why don't you come on and join the team?" And I came to Calsonic back in August of 2011. I started off as a technician, and I progressed into a cycle counter role. Then I moved into a production control role.
Well, I've been here 16 years. My parents worked here. All my family pretty much worked here, so I grew up naturally, came to Calsonic. Well, over the past 16 years, they've given me a lot of opportunities. I've moved around and learned as much as I could, and they've allowed me to do that. They encourage you to grow your skills and move up. They back you, they give you the opportunities, they'll send you to school if you need to.
My son, he's like I said, he's 5 years old, and I know here we offer like a scholarship for kids, so once he starts to get older, then hopefully we are still continuing to do that, and I'm gonna encourage him to apply for those type of things. Are you ready to be part of something big?
I bought my first house here, working here. I'm currently in my 5th house, have 4 kids. My oldest is in college, and I have another one starting in college another year, so it'll help me put all my kids through college, hopefully. Are you ready to be part of something big?